guys, it's Jacqueline, and I'm driving today in Colorado, and snow is coming in. So we're gonna go out driving, and while we're driving, we're gonna be thinking about tips for safe driving that I got from my cousin who works for the city roads and keeps everybody safe. So there are 3 important tips that my cousin said about driving in the snow. The first thing is, make sure you have good tires. And one of the things that I notice when I'm in a place like Colorado is that everyone has really good tires. You would never see somebody driving with bald tires in the snow because they don't have any traction and it's very dangerous and you can slide. The second tip from my cousin is drive slowly. When it's raining or snowing, you need more time to react, and a slow speed will help you to use less brake when you come to your final stop. So you really want to stay slow and sometimes just coast along rather than driving fast and then having to use your brakes a lot to slow down. And using brakes relates to the third tip. If you're driving in the snow, never slam on your brakes. Instead, pump your brakes. And that means, first of all, you're hopefully driving slower to begin with, so that when you need to slow down, you can just tap your brakes, and that will help you come to a nice, slow stop. So you can see from the dark sky that it could start snowing by this evening. Of course, I'm going to be off the roads because that's my number 1 tip. If you don't have to drive in the snow, just go ahead and stay home so that the city workers that are clearing the roads will have one less car to worry about. Thanks for checking in today to think about how to drive in the snow. Remember, the top 3 tips are: 1, have really good tires; 2, drive slowly; and 3, pump your brakes. Never slam on your brakes. Thanks for checking in to learn today. Have a great rest of the day. Bye.